This is the one with the CL100. Okay, KICM.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Cole County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mill Creek, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail may cover the ground. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wapanucka, Mill Creek, Milburn, Bromide, Connerville, Pontotoc, Clarita, Coleman, Fillmore, and Reagan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Southeastern Oklahoma.